Okay, so let's start solving some problems. Now, the first one we'll be looking at is we're going to determine the inductive reactance. I think I'll have to share this board into two. Inductive reactance. When a 30 mH inductor with a negligible resistance is connected to a 1.3 times 10 to the power of 3 Hz oscillator. And they even went further to say you should take your pi to be 3.142. That's pretty simple. This is quite easy. Oh, you're welcome, guys. Welcome. I was just checking the screen. Apologies. How are you guys doing? Thank you for joining us today. My name is Instructor Allison. Today we'll be doing a lot of physics. So if you're ready with me, this topic, somebody's asking which topic is this. That's AC circuit. We're going to be dealing with AC circuit first. AC circuit. Well, I never wish to even say the topic. I just feel you guys should be able to figure out the topic yourself if you're really prepared for the exam. But it's okay, you ask already. It's okay, you asked already. So that's AC circuit. Are we good? Please let me know where your location is. Let me know where you're chatting from. Let me know where you're chatting from. And if you guys are not really active on the comment section, I may be so tired to stay long on this space. I need you guys to be very much active, very fast, you know, so that we can be able to blend together. Have you already started sharing the live and also tapping on the like button? If you know you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. But by now you should have shared the live. I'm supposed to have that thumbs up popping up so that it will motivate me to keep solving a lot of problems. That's how it works here. You know, it's a free class for you to make us enjoy this time we are spending to give you knowledge. You need to make sure that you're supporting us by sharing so that other students will benefit. You know, others are on the other channel. They thought maybe I was there. And then I observed that people are finding it difficult to trace me there. That's why I fixed this one and I came here. So I would like for you to keep sharing the live so that they will know that I'm here. If you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much. All right, so let's get going. Okay, I can see your respective locations. You're welcome. Delta, Lagos, Port Harcourt. Good evening. Good evening. So let's see the solution to this. So you're asked to determine the inductive reactance. Don't waste time when you want to solve this kind of question. They have some people say Abuja, Delta. You're welcome. For inductive reactance, look at the symbol X subscript L. And that's what when they say determine, they say you should find inductive reactance. Be paying attention to these things. You know, say anytime one learn book, anytime one sabi book, anything we know say no sabi when they teach, find somewhere write and put somewhere. You know, something you no go forget that. So I don't tell you say inductive reactance is X subscript L. If I were you, I will write that down. And that's what they say you should determine. So this will be question mark. When a 30 mH, guys, what's the full meaning of this small letter M and H? Quickly put it in the comment section. When I say give me thumbs up, I mean there's a button for you to click like. That button, you keep tapping it repeatedly and share the live to people so they will come. Share to your status, your group chat, and Facebook page, everywhere. So we have people joining us for this section. And if you're just joining for the first time, you're welcome. If you've not hit the subscribe button, consider to do that. So when I come live next time, you receive notification. Yes, I'm still waiting for your response. I say, what is this MH? We have 30 MH. What is this MH? Are we together? MH is Mercury. One dash and overseas. Wonderful. MH, Mercury. Oh, that's okay. This H is Henry. This H is Henry, is a symbol for inductor. So this M is millihenry. Milli is 10 to the power of negative 3. So millihenry, remember say 30 millihenry inductor. So that means L, the symbol for inductor is L. This topic no be something where you go carry play. Now make I know I dey start from here. No be topic you go carry play. Pay attention. No. If say you are the best. This one sweet. This one sweet. This topic no be wetin you go carry play. Pay attention. Thank you so much for the wonderful comment and your kind words. So this is 30 millihenry. So since it is in 30 millihenry, we can easily convert it from this one to maybe standard form if you want. If you don't want standard form, you can divide it by, are you dividing milli 10 to the power of minus 3? Are you dividing by 100 or by 1000? Everybody, let's go. Are you dividing by 100 or by 1000? Answer quick now. It's by 1000 no. So that will give you, please somebody should check 30 divided by 1000. What will be the answer? 30 divided by 1000. What is the answer? You guys are not active this night though. What's happening now? You guys are not responsive tonight. 0.03. So we just converted from millihenry to Henry. Milli is 10 to the power of minus 3, which is something as divided by 1000. So he divided this number by 1000 and he gave you this one. It's pretty simple. So let's read through the question again. With a negligible resistance is connected to a 1.3 times 10 to the power of 3 hertz. Hertz is for what? What is measured in hertz? Everybody, let's go. Talk quick. Let me be sure that you're catching along. Hertz is in what? What is measured in hertz? Somebody should help the class. What is measured in hertz? You should know this one. Is quite simple. You guys are smart. I know you guys already. Good. Frequency. 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 Which is F. They said is 1.3 times 10 to the power of 3 hertz. And remember, they are giving you pi. to be 3.142. You guys are smart, super smart, and I love that. I so much love that. Okay, so with that being said, how do we find this inductive reactance? I want to get the answer. It's simple. Just remember that formula. Don't worry, as I'm teaching, I'll be giving you a formula. Inductive reactance has the formula X subscript L, which is for inductive reactance. It has the formula as omega L. Omega L. Now we know that already that omega is angular frequency. Its formula is 2 pi f. So that means if you bring this 2 pi f into this point, you have xl equal to 2 pi fl. So this is the formula for this guy. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. Good. So now what we need to do is to plug in these things. Carry everything they are put inside here. So x subscript L will be equal to 2 multiplied by pi. Pi is 3.142 times F frequency, which is 1.3 times 10 to the power of 3 times L, which is 0.03. Now, everybody pick up your calculator. Make sure you punch this thing accurately. I want everybody to have the same answer. I've done the job that I'm supposed to do by explaining everything step by step. It is your responsibility to make sure you punch everything accurately so we have corresponding answers. Everybody answers must be the same. Pick up your calculator and start doing that. Please be involved, be actively involved in this particular class. Be actively involved in this particular class, please. Be actively involved in this particular class. If you're just joining us for the first time, you're welcome. Please hit the subscribe button so whenever I'm live next time, you receive notification. If you're just joining us, you're welcome. Hit that subscribe button so that when I'm live next time, you will receive notification. So the first answer I'm seeing there is 2, 4, 5. Do I have points? I think say 0.067. Is that correct? So I just want to round it up so I could just have this as. Please, what is the unit of this thing? I told you guys the other day, but if you're just new, no worry, I'll tell you again. Therefore, what is the unit of inductive reactance? What is the unit of inductive reactance? If you know it, it means you're making progress academically. If you know the unit, it means you're making progress academically. Somebody just mentioned the unit right now, ohms. That is absolutely correct. Ohms is. So those of you who want to snap, you can snap. If you're recording, you can record it. But if you still want to copy, we may not have the time to wait for you. And let me know if you enjoyed the explanation, if that's you. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed the explanation. If you do, then you know what to say. You want to say thank you, you want to appreciate it. Whatever it is you want to do to acknowledge it too. I want to be sure you guys are making progress. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. You're welcome. You're welcome. So I will be very fast in the subsequent questions I will be solving. I'll be very fast, but I will be explaining everything in details. So make sure you're actively participating. Make sure you're responding to me speedily. because I want to make sure I solve a lot of questions, not only on this topic, but this topic has a lot that I have not done yet. So I'll do a lot on this topic. And then, are you guys really sharing this live? Are you hitting the subscribe button? I hope you guys are supporting the channel already. Because if I see that you're not supporting, you don't share, you're not hitting the like button, you didn't subscribe, then truthfully it's a signal that you're not interested in the class. And of course, what will happen is that I'll tend to easily leave so early. So for those of you who join us on this um, Learn with Allison, I need you to transition to Instructor Allison's tutorials, but that's where we are right now. You can see I've already started solving. Please, if you're here, move to Instructor Allison's tutorials. That's my official channel, because a lot of people are not able to find this Learn with Allison. So this is why I had to fix the Instructor Allison's tutorials, and we're using that right now. So I put this on to announce to you guys that you should come and join us there. Just type Instructor Allison's tutorials. Are we good? So I'm leaving right now. Do you guys understand? Oh, sorry guys, I'm not speaking to you guys. I just went on this other channel to let those people who are waiting for me there to come over here to learn alongside, since I have been able to fix this one. Okay, yeah, I think somebody just said yes. So let's move to the other Instructor Allison's tutorials. Thank you. Are we going off from here right now? So I want to bring the second question for us to analyze. Thank you for waiting. I was actually fixing this other one so that people will already migrate down to this part. Okay, let's move on to the second question. The second question says, question 2, an alternating circuit source is connected in series to a capacitor of capacitive reactance of 10 and resistor of resistance of 100 ohms. What is the impedance of this circuit? I think here is supposed to be 10 ohms. They didn't add it. So let's do that because we know what we are doing. Since we know what we're doing, we can be able to correct or fix any question. So what I did is that I had to gather the past question for JAM several years on this particular topic, so we dissolve a lot of them. When we're done, we'll move to the next topic inside this stuff. I hope that is good. I hope that's the best idea. You guys are not responding. You guys are not active in today's class. Are you guys tired? Can we refix this particular class? Should we reschedule the class? Now let's work on the solution. Before I solve, let me read this question one more time so that all of you get the question clearly. An alternating source is connected in series to a capacitor of capacitive reactance of 10 ohms and resistor of resistance of 100 ohms. What is the impedance of the circuit? Now, anytime you hear of impedance, keep in mind the impedance, the symbol is Z. We have the formula for impedance in RL circuit. We have the formula for impedance in RL circuit, impedance for RC circuit, impedance for RLC circuit. We have three formulas for impedance, which is this Z. Z has about three formulas. Now, before you use any of the formula, read the question to know what and what is in the formula. I think we have what we call resistor here of resistance. That means R is present. Resistance is this one. Now, what else did they mention? C, capacitor. That means we are working on this particular one, resistance and capacitive reactance. So we're using this second one. And the formula for this is equal to the square root of R squared plus X subscript C squared. Remember, this is capacitive reactance. Reactance is X, capacitor is C. So when two of them mix together, it's called capacitive reactance. So this is the formula for the impedance for ROC circuit. You enter. Talk quick now. You enter. So anytime where they explain things, we really enter where you understand. Maybe they give me thumbs up. If I explain something, enter, give me thumbs up, because definitely there are some people who will be joining us late. When they join late, instead of them to say I'm just joining, no, you go hear them they talk no. So I say I'm just joining. When we wake on them, instead they will use no, carry one delay us. So now let's read the question. Did you notice something that this capacitive reactance has been given as 10? Capacitive reactance has been given as 10. So X subscript C has given as 10 ohms. Also, resistor of resistance is given as arrow is given as 100 ohms. Okay, everybody now, I don't give you the parameter. Put them inside this thing. Give me the final question, the final answer. Everybody start solving. Make sure your answers rhyme. Make a happy say and as I be use calculator well, because I don't give another formula, I don't give another parameter, and I don't show how you go take get this formula based on the analysis what I give you. But people don't know say this impedance Z day for this one, day for this one, day for this one. Now I've shown you based on the question and these things, and I've given you the parameter in the question. You know, just to point and get the exact answer. Be fast using calculator. Make you know use calculator delay yourself for exam. So use your calculator smartly, guys. If you've not hit the subscribe button, consider to do that right away. Consider to hit the subscribe button if you've not done that, and share the live stream. Okay, I think answers have started popping. Somebody said the answer is 20. How do you arrive at 20? Why not they do like this? When I use calculator when now? Abi I want make I do different, ma do calculator class for now. Sure. Somebody say it's 200. Like how? This is not really fair. Anyways, square root of arrow is 100, so we'll have 100 squared plus x sub l is 10, so I'll have 10 squared. So z now will be equal to square root of class. What is 100 squared? What is 100 squared? 100 times 100 is what? What is 100 squared? What is 100 squared? 100 squared, 1000. You see where the problem they come from. Somebody say 100 squared is 200. Now, wow. Use calculator. You go to use brain. Way brain no fit calculate the thing correctly. 100 squared is 10,000 plus 10 squared. Maybe if you don't do 20 for this one, never can tell. 10 squared is 20. Is man, I want even follow you call 20. When I stop this thing, no. When I need to confuse me for you, man, I no come up percentage. So z will be equal to square root of 10,000 plus 100 will give you 10,100. Please confirm this. Somebody they put this one as the final answer. You know, if when you get this one, you go check the square root. When they tell me say this thing I made the final answer. What of this square root? You know, sabi check square root of final answer. Now, so you want to do for exams. I have for you square root of 10,100. Now, waiting, my people. What is the square root of 10,100? The square root of 10,100. Please use calculator. Somebody said 100.49. I will consider this answer. That means, therefore, z now will be equal to, it's safe for us to say 105 ohms. Remember, this guy is also measured in ohms. So if your answer was this or this one, you're absolutely correct. If your answer was this or this one, you're correct. Even some people, if you just get 101 ohms, it's still fair. Should be just depend on the one way option where they will give you for exams. But if you answer 100, you know correct. If na 101, I fit consider say correct. If na 100.49, you're correct. If na 100.5, you're correct. Anything other than these ones wey I don call, you know correct. I don tell you. Can I proceed? Question 3. What is the power? What is the power? As I said, I need to share this life. Now make this life need to grow. Okay, before we solve the next question, everybody start sharing this life. If you've not subscribed, hit subscribe. If you've not shared the live, start sharing. Share the live to your status, share it to your group chat, share to your Facebook. I'll wait for you. I'll give you 2 minutes for this. If you didn't share the live, we'll pause here. Start sharing this live across everywhere that you know that students will follow and join. If you didn't share it, we'll pause here. I'm giving 2 minutes for sharing of live. If you delay, I will still wait. If you act fast, Then we'll move fast. If you say next and then you're not following the instruction I'm giving, I may remove you from the live stream because it looks like you're just here to consume. You don't want other people to learn alongside with you. When I say share the live, it means I want others to come and learn alongside with you. Share the live on your status. Share the live on the group chat you belong to. Share it on your Facebook page, on other pages, so that people can join and learn. That's the instruction I gave. Within the space of 2 minutes, we can do this. If you know you're just joining us, you've not hit the subscribe button. So next time when I come live, anytime come, all of you that have hit the subscribe button, if not turn on that bell icon, that means you're going to be missing out. The bell icon will help you to receive notification anytime I post anything on this page that will be helpful to you. When you hit that thing that looks like bell, that's the notification. You select all. You can do that if you're subscribed already. Hit that notification bell and select all. That thing is very helpful. Me, I also do it in the channels that I always find very helpful. I'll turn on the notification. When the person upload, I will receive notification. I think that was when I was learning how to code. When I was doing programming, I was learning programming that early stage. There are channels when they upload updates, I will just receive notification, go watch the content, and like, comment, and then leave. So please, everybody get involved in these activities. I just gave only 2 minutes, and I think we've used 1 minute. Remaining 1 minute, go and share this live. Hit the like button, subscribe if you've not. Let's proceed. This class is for those who are interested in it. It's not for everybody. So whoever wants to leave at any point can leave at any point. I'm just focusing on those who are ready to learn so that people passes their exams easily. And if you've not joined my Telegram channel, it's 10,000 naira. You just have to make payment. Join. There are videos from June last year down to this morning that I posted. So you can imagine what you stand to enjoy for the month of March just because of you subscribing for 10,000 naira. If you want to do that, you can chat me up on WhatsApp, make payments, or add you on the group chat. Videos are available. What is the power dissipated? But for my live classes here like this, is always free and it's not every day. So what is the power dissipated? Dissipated in an AC circuit with an RMS current of 5 ampere, comma, RMS voltage 10 volts, and a phase angle 60 degrees. Now, plenty people no go fit solve this one. If you check at the, I know they bother, they bring options, all those options then where they see, because time no day for that one. I don't want to train you on how to do timbo timbo. I dey train you on how to sabi solve the question itself. Okay, so without further ado, thank you so much for those of you who listen to the instruction, who share the live stream. When you get people where they are to waste this stubborn, we no agree do anything. They not subscribe to the channel. They need to hit the like button to support me. They need to even share. I no go even talk anything give you, and you know if you discourage me not to keep teaching this thing, I will not. You can't disturb me. I will still teach. So solution. All this in repercussion they did now. Now we support the new university go support you when you go exam. You know say you don't try. Person come they help you for free. You can't give you instruction on what you go do. Nobody say they ask you for money. You still no one agree to because I need to watch. I need to see you. Now, what is the power dissipated? That means they find power. And by now, everybody here is supposed to know say the unit for power now watts. If you are aware that the unit of power is watt, type high type high. If you're aware that the unit of power is watt, type high. Please, let's do that real quick. I want to be sure that a lot of you are following up. Good, 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 good. You guys are super intelligent. That's awesome. So what is the power dissipated, which is this one, in AC circuit with a ROMS with an ROMS current of 5 ampere? So they have given us ROMS. So just put it like this. See what you do. I ROMS. ROMS stands for root mean square. So root mean square current is 5 ampere. Is that clear? We also have RMS of voltage, that is root mean square voltage, RMS of voltage, root mean square of voltage. This one is given as 10 volts. You go learn something today well. Then, and a phase angle, that's theta. Now we use as phase angle for this one. Phase angle is 60 degrees, but it has to be cos theta, but only theta now be 60 degrees. See the formula. P, which is for power, equal to IV cos theta. I dey derive this formula, but no need for this particular video. I just show you the formula we go use solve because you no even get time normally. So P now go be equal to I na wetin be value? Na 5 times V na wetin? 10 times cos 60 degrees. Now by now you suppose know wetin cos 60 degrees be. Everybody, what is cos 60? Quick. What is cos 60? What is cos 60? Are you guys not having calculator? Let's be fast now. What is cos 60 degrees? All of you that are supporting this live stream, thank you so much. If cos 60 is 0.5, 0.5 times 5 times 10, I know say 5 times 10 are 50. 50 times 0.5, that means half. 0.5 is half, 1 over 2. Half of 50 will give you 25. That's why they take do without calculator. Half of 50 will give us, okay, but if you don't want to waste time, type cos 60 times 10 times 5. It will give you, suppose give you 25. If you not give you 25 watts, unfollow me. If you not give you 25 watts, don't subscribe again. Check if this answer correct. If you correct, let's move to the next question. Correct, thank me. Let's move to the next question. Those of you who have not snapped this first one, please snap. Snap. If you've not snapped the first one, please snap. You need all these things for you to survive. You need all of them to survive. Snap if you want to snap. This one, they see different answer one at the type 0 minus 0.05. Where is this answer coming from? Ah, wow. May God help and pass an exam. So the videos are already on Telegram. You're only paying to have access to those videos. I've already recorded those videos for many months. Even today, I made video and post there. So you're only paying to have access to those videos. Then you create time for yourself to watch the videos anytime you're free. That's how it's organized on that Telegram channel. Can I remove this paper so that we do another question? Somebody says, I love your explanation. Thank you so much. If I know sabi explain well for the men understand, wetin I come dey do here now. The main thing why they come do now is really the explanation for you to know these things. It's not to show and say I sabi book or I sabi solve question. Now that part where you go fit explain, where you go enter give student, na im be the main thing for teaching. No be the one wey you come wan show say you be pro, you be expert. Yes, I know say I get master's degree and I get distinction first class for theoretical and mathematical physics, but that's not enough. If you get PhD, if you be professor for this, if you no sabi explain make person understand, that thing no just matter for anybody. The main thing na the point wey be say you dey break down everything. Why it is say people dey follow my channel, people dey like, even though I no dey online, all these things na because of explanation. Na im matter, because dey build understanding, no be for you to only pass your exam, make you know am. For who wan know, because if you carry sheep go for stream make you go drink water, you no go fit force am. You no fit force am make you drink. This one that is typing free. Free of what? This class wey dey do like this, nobody dey charge you anything o. Na free. Even as the dollar dey show you say una fit send support give me here, I no even open mouth ask una. Anybody wey get interest to do am go fit do am. But I no block you make you no learn here, na free. But anything wey come my telegram channel where I don record videos for math, physics, chemistry since June last year down to even this morning as I dey teach people wey pay for March class 10K. That one na for people wey don subscribe for that class and na monthly stuff. The videos are available. So I just have to explain everything. If they ask link, I don't tell you say na when you pay, na I go add you myself. Nothing like link. Okay. That being said, next question. Are we ready for the next question, please, guys? Are we ready for the next question? No, wait. When an answer me, now I go continue. The book was sabi no be university, now it make me sabi o. Me, I even go help the school sef. No be the school help me sabi the book wey I help sabi o. Me, as I dey study wetin no nice. I dey buy books, dey study personal doings. Just be say any school where I finish from, where I do my programs, the credit go dey go give them say because na there where I finish. Na im be the thing. But no be the school na im make me wetin I dey do like this. Na individual. You never see people wey graduate for that same school, nothing come out. That thing no be school, na individual. I take your life serious. I take plan yourself, wan become wetin you wan be. Na so e dey be o. No tie your progress to any school o. Except na school wey sabi really, wey dey